Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Island Beauty and I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm giving you guys fall vibes, fall makeup. We're close to the fall season and I'll be bringing these looks for y'all. Okay, so this is fall look number 1, and if you guys enjoyed the tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below how you're feeling it. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome, subscribe, join the fam. Know what I'm saying? Keep on watching, and if you like it, you could come back. Okay? Enjoy the video, guys. Love y'all. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, I know my face, I know my skin is going through it right now, and my nails are going through it right now, so yeah. But in today's video I'll be doing a fall makeup tutorial because you know fall is around the corner. Okay, so for this look, as I said, y'all know I was going to use my AINA palette for these looks today, so that's what I'm using. And it's going to be a beginner friendly tutorial because I realize I always do complicated makeup looks sometimes, so I'll be doing a more simpler makeup look today, so stay tuned. Okay, I did pick up 2 new products to try today. I picked up the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I heard a lot of people talking about this. I got the travel size because you know everybody's different, so I wanted to try to see how it would work for me. So I picked up that, and I also picked up the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I actually would love to see how this works. And a lot of people have been talking good stuff about it, so I'll be trying it today. But yeah. So I did my eyebrows. It was a struggle, and I think I'm gonna do eyes first today because I'm really excited to try this product. I've seen Alyssa Ashley use this. I've seen AINA use this, so you know, you gotta be bomb, right? If you guys hear noise in the background, it's my fan. It's hot, so you know, sorry about that. So this is the primer, the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer. So I got the travel size in this also because I wanted to test it out. So it is white, so you know for sure you can't apply a lot of this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply some to the brush and gonna apply it to my eyelids, and then we get into the eyeshadow. I put some on the brush, and I'm just gonna apply some on my eye. I'm gonna put a little bit, and it is very wet and thick, so with this you gotta be careful. So I'm gonna pat. Alright, that looks really crazy. But yeah, let's keep going. Wow. It's like really white. I'm tempted to use like a beauty blender to like blend this out because my brush ain't doing it. So I got my Real Technique sponge, and I'm just gonna finish blending it out. Yeah, it definitely works out better with the sponge. One thing I can say, it's a very thick product. Okay, it's a very thick product. It is super thick, and it's wet when you first apply it. So if you're into that, it's cool. Alright, so I don't know if you let this dry, actually. I think you just go in straight with the eyeshadow. So, as I said, I'll be using the Jackie AINA palette. So, yeah. Alright, so the first color I'm gonna go into is Ginger. That's what I've been using for my transition color. It's a really nice color for a transition color. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm just gonna apply this. As you can see, the eyeshadow is showing up, but to be safe, I'm gonna pat over the white, because I don't want a whole bunch of white in my makeup. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I would say it shows up. It blends out really well. You don't see the whole white cast going on, and it's blended. So that's good, and the color is showing. And this color showed up before, so you know, it's not a big deal that much. But the eyeshadow is sticking to it, I can tell you that. I'm gonna go into Credit, and I'm gonna use that as my, that's gonna be on the lid. That's basically gonna be our whole lid color. Just gonna take my Morphe M504 brush. I'm just gonna blend this out. Just smoke it out a little bit more. So it's gonna look all blended. Okay, so I am gonna apply more Credit. I'm gonna apply more Credit on top of this. And I'm just gonna go back over the M504 brush. So that's pretty much it for the eyes. Alright, now I'm just gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna prime. I'm gonna use my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And I got this in the travel size also. Just gonna apply it. This feels really good. It feels really hydrating. It feels really hydrating. Just gonna apply some to my forehead. So far, I really like the feeling of this. It is a really nice feeling. And it's really tacky, so you know your makeup is gonna stick on it. For my foundation, I'm gonna go into my Fenty Beauty, and this is in the shade 420. And I'm gonna use my e.l.f. brush to blend this out. Alright, and as you guys already know, I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer to conceal. And as I told you guys before, I've been using a brush to blend out my concealer. I'm just going to blend out the concealer some more with my sponge. To set my face, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Honey. Take my powder brush and I'm just going to apply some under my eyes. And I'm basically gonna blend this powder in and like dust it off a little bit. I'm not gonna keep it on. This is one of those powders that you can't really keep on because it cakes up really fast. To contour, I'm going to use my True Complexion Black Radiance Contour Palette. And I'm going to go into the contour shade. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 360. And I'm just going to clean up. Now I'm going to move back on to the eyes, and you're going to use the same credit shade. And I'm going to apply that to under my eyes just to smoke it out a little bit. Alright, and then for the inner corner, I'm going to go into Soleil. I'm just going to put that in the inner corner. That looks so pretty. Just a pop of gold. Now I'm going to set my face. I'm going to use my Morphe setting spray. To highlight, I'm going to use my Anastasia Glow Kit as usual. And I'm gonna go into bronze. I'm just gonna highlight. Just gonna go over the highlighter with my big powder brush. Gonna go with my Bad Girl Bang mascara. I'm gonna try a lip combination to see if I like it. If not, I'll just go with a gloss. So I'm gonna go line it with this shade. It's called Current. It's an NYX liner. Now I'm gonna go in a quickie in the center. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy and is loving this fall makeup tutorial and you guys love the look. If you do, make sure and give the video a thumbs up and comment down below how you feel about this smoky cranberry brown, whichever one you want to call it, look. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love y'all. Mwah.